Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair states that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu performed Hajj along with us. So I heard him say, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not withdraw knowledge after granting it to you. Rather, He will take it away by causing the religious scholars to die together with their knowledge. So the illiterate people will remain, who being consulted will issue verdicts according to their right, whereby they will go astray themselves and mislead the others as well. I then narrated this hadith to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife. Later, when Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu performed the Hajj, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, O my sister's son, you should go to Hazrat Abdullah and for my sake get this hadith endorsed by him which you have narrated to me. I went and asked him. He whereupon narrated the hadith as I had narrated it. It then came to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and told her. So she in amazement said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu has retained it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7307.